Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am sharing the recipe for instant protein rich oats dosa, and this instant protein rich oats dosa is diabetic friendly and ideal for weight loss journey as we are not using rice in this dosa recipe, and this can be the best breakfast or dinner option. Believe me, this chatpata spicy crispy high protein oats dosa is kids favorite dosa as well. To start with, measure 1 cup of rolled oats, and rolled oats are gluten free and high in both soluble and insoluble fiber. Now measure half cup of masoor dal, half a cup of green moong dal, half a cup of urad dal, half a cup of chana dal or chickpea, 15 to 20 almonds, and 1/4 cup of tur dal. Now wash all the ingredients 2 to 3 times and allow them to soak up for about 5 to 6 hours or overnight. If you are making early morning, you can soak it overnight, or if you are making as a dinner, soak in the afternoon. Oats and all the dals contain phytic acid, which inhibit proper absorption of minerals like zinc and iron, and also inhibits proper digestion. So this soaking helps in breaking down the phytic acid and helps in proper digestion and absorption of minerals. Here, after 6 hours, all the ingredients are well soaked. So now drain the water and transfer to a mixie jar. After transferring to the blender, now add 5 to 6 green chili according to your spice levels and 1 inch ginger that is sliced into small pieces. Now add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 twig of curry leaves. Curry leaves lowers the risk of iron deficiency, aids in weight loss, regulates blood cholesterol and blood glucose levels, improves the immunity, vision, and reduces stress and morning sickness. Now add salt as per taste and 1/4 cup of water. Then grind this into a smooth batter. One interesting fact about oats is that oats are both a slow digesting carbs and protein rich source of energy for our body. Here, smooth and fine batter is ready. So now transfer to a mixing bowl and grind the next batch as well. All the dals that we use today are extremely rich in protein, fiber, iron, folate, vitamins, and minerals. Hence, eating pulses can give us the right amount of energy and nutrition without piling on the calories. Once the batter is ready, keep it aside and heat the pan and add around 1 teaspoon of oil, and once the oil is heated, add 5 to 6 red chili according to your spice levels and 1 medium sized onion. Now saute and allow the onion to cook until the onion is translucent, and here you can see this onion turned translucent. So now switch off the flame and transfer to a separate plate and allow them to cool. On cooling, now transfer this onion and red chili to a blender. This onion red chili chutney will give that extra spicy flavor and chatpata flavor to our dosa, and this is optional. You can make dosa without this chutney also. Now add half inch of tamarind and salt as per taste and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3 peeled garlic pods. Now blend all this without adding any water. Water from the onion is sufficient to blend this into a smooth paste. Here our red chutney is ready. Now transfer this to a separate bowl, and this chutney will be little spicy. So adjust the red chili according to your spice levels. Now heat the pan and grease the pan with little amount of oil. As I'm using cast iron pan, this greasing is mandatory. Now pour a ladle full of batter and smear it into a thin dosa. This dosa can be made without applying the red chutney also, but this red chutney will give the extra flavor. And so here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of this red chutney and smearing all over the dosa. Now add a handful of chopped onions and grated carrot, chopped cilantro. Make sure to cook this dosa on medium to low flame. Now drizzle few drops of homemade ghee or any oil of your choice, but here I used homemade ghee because this ghee gives that extra flavor to our dosa. Once the dosa is well cooked, you can see color change from the bottom. So carefully raise from the sides and then transfer to a serving plate. With this spicy, crispy, high protein oats dosa that is diabetic friendly and ideal for weight loss journey is ready. So give it a try and do let me know in the comment section how you liked about it. If you like this recipe, please consider subscribing to Homemade Flavors and press the bell icon for more healthy and interesting recipes. This is Rupa signing off for today, and see you in the next video. Thank you.